everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Simple elegance. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so much for the wonderful ways in which you support me and my channel. Y'all, I needed a little something to give a thank you gift in, so I think I'll bring you along with me as we make it. I am going to flip to my overhead camera to give you a closer look, but y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, y'all, we're going to have some clean and simple fun today. I am giving the gift of cash, and I didn't want to just hand it off. So I made this really sweet cash holder using some of the digital papers that I just rolled out. So I made us a nice little envelope. And here is the little cash wallet that I made. Very, very simple. And I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make something like this. But when you open it, I have a place here that I'll be writing my little note. I like the floral spray here, so I left that as it was. Then I have a place here for my cash, and I just added some decorative elements to the inside. And on the back, we already have a beautiful decorative element, so I left that as is. Very easy. And if you're interested in the digital papers, please check out my website. I do have a best value combo running, so if you go to the website, it's the first thing on the website. If you like all the papers, click that first option to get all of the papers along with some freebies. So this is the one that I actually need to use today. So I've already made it, but we're going to make another one using this beautiful page, and this will be the envelope page. So in the original paper pack, this page was not added. I have added it to the website, and for those of you who purchased this, whether you purchased it separately or as part of the combo, check the email address that you used when you made your purchase, because I'm sending this out in the email so that you will have it as well. So y'all, this is going to be so easy. We're going to take this 8.5 by 11 inch piece, and on the 11 inch side, we're going to score at 3 3/4. And then let's score at 7.5. Then I'm going to turn it because I do need to reduce it just a little bit so that it will fit in the envelope. We're going to reduce this to 7.5, so I'm just going to take off 1/2 inch. That does remove the star, but y'all, I'm okay with that. And while we have the scoreboard out, let's just go ahead and score for the envelope. So on the 11 inch side, we're going to score at 4 and at 8 1/8. Then on the 8.5 inch side, let's score at 3/8 inch. Rotate to the opposite 8.5 inch side and score at 3/8 inch. And we can put the scoreboard away. And then we're going to fold and burnish all of our scores. And it's already beautiful. I love the outside. So I'm going to open the inside, and I have my 2-inch oval punch. I am just going to take that oval punch and I'm going to notch out, because I do want to have an opening so that if I put something in this pocket, you'll be able to see what is being given. Then I'm just going to take my glue, run a thin bead of glue along both sides like that. And then we just make sure that we get a nice little stick. And if you're interested in the paper type that I use, as well as the printer type that gives me such vibrant colors, please make sure that you're checking the description box. That information is listed there. So now we have this. I have a white mat that measures 3 by 4 and a background mat that measures 3 1/4 by 4 1/4. We're going to put these two together. I am just going to go ahead and use some glue, and you can see that I'm using scrap paper. I actually made a mistake on a project. I don't throw those papers away, especially when it's a white front. I like to save those to use as matte paper or writing paper. So we have that. I'll add some glue to the back here. I'm going to take this piece, and this time I think I'm going to put it in the middle because I really don't have any decorative corners or anything. So there's that piece. Now we're going to go ahead and make our envelope, and then we'll do some light decorating. So let's just go ahead and fold and burnish all of our scores. Y'all, this is some easy peasy paper crafting, but like I said, it really is simple elegance. So I am going to take my finger blade, and we're just going to cut in at an angle on the middle tab so that we'll have a place to adhere this. We'll do the same thing here and here. These are our adhesive flaps. Then here on the corner, I'm just going to cut in at an angle, a very slight angle, top and bottom. And then I'm just going to take my glue, and I'm going to place my glue on the widest flap. And we'll fold up and get that stuck. And I forgot to round my ends, so that's okay. I'm just going to round the ends here. The bottom won't be rounded. If you have a corner rounder, you can use that as well. If you don't, see how beautiful that looks? So then I'm just going to bring in some of my stickers, and we're going to decorate with stickers. We don't have to do a whole lot. I am just going to take a few stickers, and I'm going to place the one sticker right here. It says Hello Winter. Then I'll open, and I'm just using some fun winter stickers. I'm not going to do a whole lot to this because it does not require a whole lot, because look at this beautiful scene that's already here. If this scene wasn't here, I'd probably add more stickers, but the scene is there, and I really don't want to take away from the beauty of that. So let me see what I have here. I like this little kitty, and I can also use this because I know someone who would appreciate it. So then over here, I think all I'm going to do, very simple, I am just going to take a few snowflakes and just place them down. I don't need a whole lot. I am just going to put a few of these down. Now let's see how the back looks. The back looks pretty good. Y'all, I really don't have to do much to this. I think right there on the front, I'm just going to place that sticker, and I am going to call this Easy Peasy Craft complete. Now, if you wanted to mail this, I would definitely take some double stick adhesive or glue and place my glue or adhesive across the top just like any normal envelope. But isn't that easy, and isn't that a beautiful way to use the papers from that collection? I didn't have to do a whole lot to this because the paper is already beautiful. So if you're looking for a simplistic and beautiful way to give cash, why not grab some of those digital papers that you've purchased? They're already scenic enough, and just add a few embellishments and give this as a gift. You can see right here, this is where that cash would go, or the gift card, or whatever you want it to put in it. I am using this, like I said, it will be a cash holder, and my cash will go right in here. So I hope that you've enjoyed this really simple way of using those digital papers to create money wallets. If you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, Be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.